Welcome back, girls, for a new video. And as promised, today I'm doing the unboxing of the Nespresso. So I got two items from the Nespresso. One is the machine and the milk foam making as well. I got them separately because I prefer the small machine rather than the big one. So we'll start first with this milk foam. As you can see by now, I buy a lot of stuff from Doha, Qatar, so the prices are in Qatar riyals. If you want to know how much it is in euros or dollars, I'll put the prices in the description box. But for now, let's unbox this. I got it in black. Okay. And oops, this is the one. It comes with this plate down, and this is the lid. Also inside there is the manual. It's called Aeroc number 3. Aerocino number 3. Okay, so of course before start using it we have to wash this before. Okay. Remove all the cartons. Okay, and this is the one for the foaming. I was told by the salesperson I have to remove this if I want to do, wait, how do you remove it now? I'm not sure, but he said if you want to make a cappuccino, I think I have to remove one of the parts, but I'll leave them on for now. And this is the button. If you're familiar with Nespresso, one press is to make a hot foam and press for a few seconds to make a cold foam. And here you have which level is for the cappuccino and which level is for the latte. Okay, and this is the lid which comes with it. This was for 399 Qatar riyals, maybe around 101 US dollars. So I think this is a good price for it. Both items cost me less than 1,000 riyals. And we'll unbox the machine. I got the black color and I love this shape. This was 499 riyals. Okay, and this is the glossy black. There was the matte one which I'll love to buy. It's 100 riyal more, but I got this. So this is the mini Nespresso machine in square or rectangular shape. I love the shape of it and how small and convenient it is. It doesn't take a lot of space, and it looks nice whether in your kitchen or in your living room. So this is the one. Also I was briefed that I have to remove this and wash it and then fill it full with water and then press 2 to 3 times for the water to clean the inside of the machine. The salesperson also told me that every 6 months I should get the servicing of the machine. So they have this service. It seems that they will come pick up your machine, they will clean it for you, then they will return it to your house, which is very good. So this one goes here. Oh wow, okay. And this one, once it is filled with the capsules, you can remove it and throw them away. I forgot to ask what to do to if they recycle the capsules or not, or if they take it back next time. This is where the capsule goes. And nowadays there are a lot of coffee companies which make capsules you can use on an espresso, and I was in Monoprix and I've seen even tea capsules now which you can use on an espresso machine. Imagine, that would be very nice. So this is the machine and how it looks like. It's easy to use. This is for espresso, this is for large, like small or large, and that's it. If you're planning to buy one, I would advise this one because I like the small size of it, and then it's more convenient to wash and it doesn't take much space and it's not heavy. The other ones, I don't know, depends on everybody's taste. Maybe you like it, but I would rather get this one. There is two other colors. There is one white and gray. The gray also looks nice. I bought this from the Pearl Island. They have an Nespresso shop over there. They also have an Nespresso shop in Festival City, Doha. And there I've seen a green color as well. So there's green, gray, white and black. And as I said, the matte black is 599, 100 real more. This is it. Okay, before I forget, they also give you these capsules for free with a box. It's complimentary. Wow, look at this, all types, very nice. Okay, let me tell you a quick thing why I got it now. So I'm a coffee drinker. I love a good coffee, and again, if you've seen my previous videos, this was on my wish list again. Sorry, I kept delaying and delaying and delaying. Why? For two reasons. One, because if I get an espresso machine, I'll be drinking coffee non-stop for the whole day. Because that's what I do when I go in a hotel and then I find an espresso machine. It's just addictive. I keep on drinking coffee and I don't know, it's so enjoyable, so tasty. It's a pure pleasure to have an espresso or a macchiato. The coffee is so different. And so one of the reasons is not to get addicted to coffee. And second reason, I keep on delaying all my wish list. I don't know why. Please don't do this, guys. If you have something you want to get, if 1 month passed and you still think you want to get it, then get it. Don't delay it. Don't delay it. Okay, and this will make my life easy because in the mornings where I'm tired and I don't want to spend time making my breakfast or my coffee, just one click and my coffee is ready. So quick and convenient. So I'm happy I got it finally. This is a good investment for me. Those are investment because this lasts long and then you can enjoy a nice, tasty, pleasurable coffee. So now I'm in the process of cleaning the Nespresso machine, and here I have put full water. I already dispensed some water, and then this is the second press. You can also hear the noise. Not a very pleasant noise.